Hi, want to know how to place an order on Kotak Neo app? Here's how you can do it. Click on the search tab on the home page and search for the stock you want to invest in. Now, click on buy or sell button and enter the quantity. You can easily change the order quantity by using the plus or minus sign on the screen. Enter the price at which you want to place the order. You can select market order if you want to execute it at the current market price. Select product type as cash, normal order or MTF, that is pay later on Kotak Neo app. You can click on the drop down to review the advanced options. Here, you can select your order validity as good for day or immediate or cancel as required. You can also change the disclosed quantity under this drop down. Once you check your order summary, swipe to buy. That's it. Your order has been successfully placed. You can click on view orders to check your open positions and its order status. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts or queries, then please leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.